We're in the golf retail industry. We fit all brands. We are a fitter for Mizuno, Titleist, Ping, Callaway, pretty much all brands, all models. We're top 100 in the industry. We're family owned and operated since 1990. For certain products and brands, we sell on marketplaces including Amazon, eBay, our own personal website, and of course our brick and mortar. Before we switched to Sellercloud, we used Channel Advisor for hosting our SKUs across different platforms. The issue that we had was too many integrations. When one thing were to go down, it was tracking the problem. Once we saw Sellercloud, we were all in. All the key features that were there. So many selling points at it, and the price was kind of crazy considering what we were paying for 2-3 softwares kind of wrapped into one and in one website. Once we started with Sellercloud, we've seen a lot of things improve. From the brick and mortar side, we use Lightspeed point of sale. And so far, Sellercloud has been the only software that we found that is a direct integration into Lightspeed. Probably one of our greatest strengths of improvement was something as simple as building products. With the integration directly into just Lightspeed, it cuts the middleman of just building product. Before, it would be these multiple steps of building into Channel Advisor, building into SKU Vault, and then finally building it into Lightspeed. Now it's one stop. You build it into Sellercloud, launch on Channel, and you're done. It cuts so many steps, cuts so much time, and it's done. Inventory now is simple, it's fantastic. I can kind of keep an eye on what inventory is in store versus warehouse and how much per se, and what needs to move. With the inventories in Sellercloud, we feel completely confident down to warehouse bin location, quantity on hand, everything. I would tell you to use Sellercloud because it's accurate, reliable, robust. It saves time, money, multiple times. With the help of Sellercloud, we're confident over the future growth that we're able to move into new channels, new e-com channels that perhaps we're not in. With the adaptability that Sellercloud has with the custom integrations and the custom workflows that we've already seen, we know that their team can help with that 100%. With Sellercloud, it's not about the software. It's about building relationships and partnerships with clients. Now that Sellercloud's part of the Descartes family, I feel there's going to be more growth. Bigger partnership only is going to bring more opportunity.